Hey, how's it going everyone? Mick from All About Tech. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're going to be talking about crypto, we're going to be talking about ETN. Just before I get into that though, I have to show off because I've had a really busy weekend. Those of you that follow me on Twitter, you will see that I've been renovating my kitchen yesterday. Well, I say renovating, I tiled it. Look how good that looks. I mean, I've still got a little bit to do there, but I can't get the offcuts because they're just smaller than a full tile. First time ever doing any sort of tiling or anything. It's actually quite easy. It's just very, very time consuming. But yeah, I thought I'd show you guys that because it looks absolutely fantastic. One of the things I want to quickly pop into the discussion as well is that DigitSpin Crypto has launched a website. This website is absolutely fantastic. Actually, it's a it's kind of like a competitor to CoinMarketCap. You've got prices that are updating live. You can see as they're updating as well. They go green or they go red as they go down. You can see the charts as well. Top 50 coins on the first page. What's really cool is that you've got a heat map. You've got real-time charts. You've got win, lose, exchanges, news, live feeds. You got a YouTube feed and a Telegram feed. This is actually a really well put together website, and it's kind of just come out of nowhere. So props to you, Dino, for that. If you click on YouTube shows, it will load, and then as you can see, your boy is right here. So if you click that, it'll just take you directly to my channel. So feel free to give that a click, and feel free to start using this instead of CoinMarketCap, because it's actually a really good website and it's updating live constantly as well. You don't have to keep clicking refresh, which is really annoying. Just before I get into what I want to talk about though, last week I did an AnyTask giveaway for the $15 gift card that the Anon Summit gave. I want to do the results of that giveaway now. What you had to do to enter was comment on this video here. I've got the URL here. I've filtered the duplicate users, so there's a unique commenters of 52. So good luck everyone, and let's find out who the winner is. And if it doesn't say why they want to get a thing, there we go, fantastic. Winner is 06 Sensei. Hope I win. I really need the money to buy food. Hashtag AnyTask, hashtag Electroneum, anytask.com/0626. So congratulations to 06 Sensei. You are the winner. Let me know how you want the gift card to be sent. Reach out to me either by Twitter or by email, allaboutTech159@gmail.com. I'm going to reply to your comment anyway, but just let me know how you want me to send your gift card. That is not all in terms of giveaways, because we are doing another giveaway for an AnyTask gift card, another $15 gift card. All you have to do to win is comment down below what you'd spend the gift card on again. Make sure you're subscribed as well, and make sure you like this video. That's all I ask for you guys to be in a chance to win an AnyTask gift card. This video, and then a week from now or a few days from now, I will pick the winner again. So good luck everyone. Now what I want to talk about today is a recent interview that that Richard did with BlockSpeak. This was an interview which I really enjoyed. It was a really good interview. It's on a podcast with Monty Munford. He's actually quite a funny guy. I was actually really enjoying the conversation that they were having between each other. It wasn't just about crypto and stuff. There was actually conversation there, which is always important, I think, for interviews. This is the interview here. I'll leave a link in the description. What I'm wanting to talk about today is a particular thing that Richard Ells spoke of, and that is of the fact that they are reaching out to universities to become NGOs as well now. It's not just charitable NGOs, universities as well. And I want to highlight that for you guys because I think that that is absolutely massive. If you get on board with any sort of governmental educational organization, etc., that just gives it another whole wealth of validity to the project. Universities aren't going to be partnering with just outright scams. They're not going to be partnering with bad projects. There are universities already that are out there running Ripple nodes but don't profit from them, and with universities getting on board to be block validators for ETN, they're going to be able to use that to improve things on campus and do extra activities on campus, etc. For students. And I'm really excited to see where they go with this. I think it's a huge move to further solidify ETN's place as a legitimate project with a legitimate use case with tons of utility. You can't dispute that. You just can't dispute that. There's still people questioning the numbers, etc., and the statistics that ETN have given out, even though AnyTask has verified those and done an audit of ETN. The problem is that some people are just never going to be happy. That's just how it is. People are so skeptical in this space that they refuse to believe anyone, and that's just how it is, unfortunately. It is so good to see how ETN are approaching each thing that they're doing. They're doing it completely different to how most other crypto projects are kind of conducting themselves. The only reason for that is because there's actually experience at ETN in terms of running a company, as well as the actual experience in developing the use cases and utility behind that project. It's not just a few people that have started up a blockchain that know nothing about business, that know nothing about marketing, that know nothing about anything in terms of actually keeping a business running, and actually creating something sustainable for years and years to come. I think that's really important. Targeting universities is just another kind of perfect idea, really, to further cement themselves in the space as, look, we've done all of this. We're your top 10 cryptos in terms of market cap. They're not the true market leaders. The true market leaders are the ones with real use case and real adoption of that said project. And until things change with the regulations and stuff in terms of how coins are traded speculatively, etc., it's going to be a tough ride for ETN to kind of shake that mentality of the crypto space, because in actual fact there's not a lot of business knowledge in the crypto space, unfortunately. And that's why it's so good to see these ideas and these things coming out. That's what was said in the BlockSpeak interview. Anyway, I'm really excited to see what universities are going to be onboarding it. I imagine they've probably reached out to the University of Kent, which is the local university as to where Electroneum is based. My best friend went to University of Kent. It's actually a really good university, and yeah, it'll actually be. I haven't actually told him that ETN are targeting universities, so maybe that would be some cool news for him if, say, the local universities around that area, because that would be the go-to, because you can really develop a relationship in your local community. That's what I wanted to talk about today. There was tons of other stuff in the interview, but I really just wanted to highlight the fact that ETN are targeting universities. I think that's massive. No, it's not one of those monster deals, as you would say, but what it is a massive thing in terms of education. AnyTask appeared on DigitSpin Crypto's YouTube channel yesterday. Part 1 was released, and he was talking about how there is a massive problem with education within the crypto space. Not to say that there's no educators out there, but they're all doing it for personal gain, which is fine. But there needs to be an impartial source of education for blockchain itself, not just education for a particular platform or a particular cryptocurrency or a particular version of say a cryptocurrency's blockchain, etc. It needs to be non-biased, properly impartial. Potentially partnering with universities is going to be a huge step into getting cryptocurrency education out there to the masses, because then it can become part of a curriculum. Some universities are offering some form of blockchain based education, but it's purely the blockchain technical aspects, like the cryptography parts of it, etc. So yeah, it would be really cool to see. But that's what I wanted to talk about today. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are still keeping safe. And until the next one, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys out in the next one. Peace.